Hi, Mom. What are you making today?
We're making bookmarkers. We can use it cardboard or cardboard from cereal boxes, candy boxes.
Here, let me see that. Oh, that's cool.
Let's see, I've got other ones here.
Oh my goodness. Well, that sounds fun,
What we do
Mom.
is to trace it out. So we lay it down, your pattern, and we trace it out.
I like how you're using a pencil because if you mess up, you can erase it.
Oh yeah. And then there's a little circle here. That's where your ribbon goes through. Now we got a bookmarker. And then we cut it out.
You can use any pieces of cardboard.
Leftover cardboard, something lightweight.
Okay, that makes sense.
I'm going to make a square because it'll be easier.
Perfect.
Cut out, and we have our circle. We take a hole puncher. You line it up with that circle, and you punch your hole out. And then we take either ribbon, rope, whatever you have, and we fold it in half, and we feed it through the hole. Then you take this circle and you bring it over, put the ends in, and you pull tight. Ooh, the servant didn't do a very good job.
Well, that's okay, because we can always try again, too. That looks nice.
And then we take...
Take what? What do we take?
some of these books that's got pictures.
Oh, so you're recycling. So I want to. Oh, they got Spider-Man. Oh, they got Hello Kitty. Oh, there's even stickers in here. So we can just use like scrap paper, whatever we have to decorate it.
Yeah.
That sounds nice.
You decorate.
Okay, I'll show the kids the finished product whenever you get done with it, okay? All right, so kiddos, Miss Irvin went and made a bunch of these. She just used recycled paper and stuff that she found. She made Pokemon one, Care Bear one, that's Crayola. But you could also draw on these too. So you don't have to use like magazines. You could use regular paper to draw, and then you can glue it on, or you can just draw straight on the bookmark. But kiddos, we'll be doing that today. I will show you where the supplies are at and we can get started.